going on? AntStill BBQ. This is Anthony here, and today we're gonna go over how to do a snake method fire. So I know a lot of people, or some people, don't know about what a snake method is, but basically most of the time you're gonna be cooking your food indirectly on the grill. So what that means is that you're gonna have the charcoals on one side. Most of the time your food is gonna be on the other side. It doesn't need to be directly over the heat. You don't want it to burn too quickly. You don't want it to char up. So most of the time it's going to be on the indirect side. But there are times where you have a longer cook, say like a turkey, brisket, pulled pork, something like that, that's going to need to sit for upwards of 4 hours plus. That's where the snake method comes in. So today we're going to go over how to do that. So let's get started.
All right, so for the snake method on the grill, it's really simple. All you have to do, I already set mine up. All you have to do is just literally line it up like a snake. And so you can see my coals start here. I put some wood on there. I use some pecan wood. You can use whatever wood you want, but you can see that the coals go all the way around. I left a little bit of space right here because that's where it's gonna end. But you can see I started on one end and it goes all the way around to the other. So the way that's gonna work is once I place my lit coals here, when I begin my cook, it's gonna actually go all the way around. So it's gonna lead to a slower cook because I don't have as many charcoals in one spot, so it's not gonna get too hot. And it's also because they're lined up behind one another, it's just gonna keep going. So you're gonna have a consistent cook, a consistent smoke because the wood is on there. And you're also gonna have this entire area here that's cooking indirectly. So I'm gonna place my meat of choice or whatever directly in the middle of the grates, and it's gonna be, basically being heated indirectly. All right, our coals are ready to go. You can see they're nice and gray, pretty much ashed over at this point. So now they're ready to actually put on the grill. So let's go ahead and dump these coals and get our grill ready to go. You can see that's pretty much the gist of it. So you can see those coals are lit onto the left, and those are just going to slowly trickle around till they get to the right. We got our grates on there now, and so at this point we're ready to start our cook. Pretty simple.
So that's it for this video. If you like what you saw, definitely feel free to like, subscribe, greatly appreciate it. Also comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions. I know this is new for a lot of people. I know when I first did it, I was like, okay, how does this really work? But it works really well, again, because you're cooking it indirectly the whole time, but you're gonna get that smoke, and you're also gonna get a longer cook because those coals are slowly gonna trickle around to the very end. So let me know what you think. Again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. AntStill BBQ, this is Anthony, and I'm out. Check you later.